Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make matcha croissants. First, combine your dry ingredients: 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of sugar, 5 grams of salt, and 10 grams of high-quality matcha powder. Next, dissolve 7 grams of active dry yeast in 150 milliliters of cold water, then add it to your dry mix. Mix until just combined, then knead for about 5 minutes. Chill the dough for at least 2 hours. Now let's prepare the butter block. Take 200 grams of very cold, unsalted butter and flatten it into a 16 by 16 centimeter square between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Roll out your chilled dough into a rectangle, roughly twice the size of your butter block. Place the butter in the center, fold the dough over to enclose it completely, and pinch the seams tightly to seal. This is where the magic happens: lamination. Gently roll the dough into a long rectangle, about 20 by 60 centimeters. Fold 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then fold the remaining third over that like a business letter. This completes one turn. Wrap the dough and chill it for 30 minutes. Repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times, chilling between each turn. Finally, it's time to shape and bake. Roll your laminated dough to a thickness of about 3 millimeters. Cut the dough into long triangles, each with a base of about 8 centimeters. Gently stretch each triangle, then roll it from the wide base towards the point to form your croissants. Let them proof for about 1 hour. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.